In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up NinjaTrader 8. By the end, you'll have NinjaTrader 8 installed on your computer. You'll be logged in, your broker connection will be configured, simulation mode will be enabled for safe practice, and you'll have a chart open and ready to use. First, download the NinjaTrader 8 desktop application from your NinjaTrader dashboard. In your web browser, open your NinjaTrader dashboard. On the dashboard page, look for the desktop download option and click Download to get the NinjaTrader 8 installer. When your browser asks where to save it, choose a folder you can easily find, like Downloads, and let the file finish downloading. Next, install NinjaTrader 8. Open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file you just downloaded. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. In the Setup window, follow the prompts. Accept the license agreement. Click Next. Keep the default install location unless you need a different drive, and click Install. Wait for the progress bar to complete, then click Finish to close the installer. Now, log in with your credentials. If NinjaTrader doesn't open automatically, launch it from your Start menu as NinjaTrader 8. When the login window appears, type your username and password carefully. Click Login. If you see any verification prompt, complete it and wait for the control center to load. You're now signed in and ready to configure your connection. From here, configure broker connections via Tools, then Account Connections. In the control center at the top, click Tools, then click Account Connections. In the Account Connections window, click Add or the plus icon to create a new connection. In the provider list, select your broker or data provider, for example, Tradivate or Rhythmic. Enter the credentials provided by your broker exactly as given. If there's a description field, you can keep the default name or type a clear label so you can recognize it later. When everything looks correct, click OK to save the connection. This step only saves your settings, so it's safe to adjust or update them later if needed. Next, select Simulation Mode for practice. In the Control Center, turn on Global Simulation Mode so orders route to the built-in simulation account instead of a live account. You'll see the simulation indicator highlighted when it's active. This is a safe way to practice without risking real funds, and you can turn it off later when you're ready to trade live. At this point, open Charts via New, then Chart. In the Control Center, click New, and choose Chart. A selection window will open. Pick the symbol or instrument you want to view, then confirm your choice to open the chart. The chart will load in a new window. You can click and drag to pan, use your mouse wheel to zoom, and resize the window as needed. If you're in simulation mode, any trading actions you take here will use the simulated account, which is ideal for testing and learning. Once that's done, your initial setup is complete. You downloaded the desktop application from your NinjaTrader dashboard, installed it, logged in with your credentials, configured your broker connection under Tools and Account Connections for providers like Tradivate or Rhythmic, enabled simulation mode for safe practice, and opened a chart from New and Chart. Everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.